publish bonipi baro ki parlok ki bijupen yegini ki channel na kapor shakapor. Hagani ka video ngidan ban wanra IP ya ki kam ki balai apo jong ka Gramin Healthcare Meghalaya na ka banta ka post Optometrist ka posting kandai Khasi Hills Bhoi district but Jaiñtia Hills. Tikino ki bukwa ban apply ki freshers but experience pila ban apply ya kini ki post. Ki bedang thamai kini ke channel sumba banda subscribe kanang bapiniyo kijing pentip ki bedai bat ki kam ki balai apo ki district baper ki bedan apo jong ka Meghalaya. Ka Paradigm Healthcare Private Limited operating under the renowned brand Gramin Healthcare. Kalau pelaj ya kini ke notification hakabai day bat kini ke advertisement na kabanta kini ke post Optometrist. Ka posting kumulaong kandai hapo Bhoi district Jaiñtia Khasi Hills. Ka last date ban apply kedai Laitkam 3 Julai jar pendriu. Ka kerteng jong ko organization kedai Paradigm Healthcare Private Limited Gramin Healthcare number post name kedai Optometrist. Job category healthcare medical and then work location Khasi Hills Bhoi district and Jaiñtia Hills. Educational qualification B Optom or diploma in optometry from a recognized institute. Kedai ban register LAD apo jong ka State Optometry Council. Ke experience la ong hang neba ki freshers but experienced candidate pila ban apply ya kini ki post. Ka selection process kan long ta ka rolling basis kata ha ka online but offline mode. Ka application mode kadai online ka rukam ban submit ya ki application kadai online. Ka last date kadai Laitkam 3 Julai jar pendriu. Kerdan pulih bulan kam beri ban pendap ya ka bachelor ha ka optometry lani diploma ha ka optometry ka beli tu da ke institution but pidai ban register la di hapo jong ka State Optometry Council ka experience both entry level graduate, freshers and experienced practitioner are eligible to submit their application. Telada pikwa ban apply na kabanta kene ka post. Eligible candidate can submit their application online prior to specific deadline. Te ladan hang ni yaw new email jong kene ka organization pila ban san lani upload yagi CV ki jong pi au new email career@graminhealthcare.com. Tang na kabanta ki shortlisted candidate kin sha khot shaka interview on rolling basis kata hako online lani offline mode. Tu new de email tingin sabu upo jong ka description jong kene ke video. Kelas date Laitkam Julai jar pendriu.